Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I wanted to do something more festive. So I went through my palette searching for berry tone eyeshadows and similar colors to that, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how I did this look and what palettes I used, keep on watching. Hello. So surprisingly, I was looking through my collection of all the eyeshadow palettes that I got, and I don't have a lot of berry tones, which I thought I did, but I don't. The only two palettes that I found that had similar colors to those was the Cherry Crush from ColourPop. They're both ColourPop, by the way. Like this one over here, and maybe this one. The rest are more pink and red, but berry colors, maybe this one and this one. And it's my Pleasure palette, like this one right here. So I was shocked that I don't really have those tones in my collection, and I have like around 50 palettes, I think. So I need some palettes that are like more holiday vibe tones, like berry tones, colors like that, and I don't know which ones to buy. If you know any good ones, let me know in the comments down below, because I had no idea that I was lacking those tones. So I'm gonna try to use the colors that I have in those to try to make a holiday look. But first, I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna be using the Jecca Black Hydrate Primer. I think I've used this maybe 3 times in total, and I still don't know how I feel about it, because it's like a cream. It's like a face cream. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. I have to mix 2 colors. I'm a little tan at the moment, so I have to mix both, and I'm using in Very Light and Light. And I'm using the Moda Complexion brush. I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder, and I'm going to use this only on my T-zone because that's where I really need to mattify that area. This powder is really good in smoothing. Right here is where I get really oily, so that's where I'm putting it. And then on the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder, and this is in shade Oat Translucent. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. I'm gonna pop some earrings on because I feel naked without them. I just can't. It doesn't matter if they're small or big. That's what he said. On with the eyes. For the first shade I'm going to be using is my Pleasure by ColourPop, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. So how was your Thanksgiving? Do you celebrate it? And if you do, how was it? Now I'm gonna jump into the Cherry Crush palette and use this one right here. Have you gone to the Black Friday events? I don't go to any stores. I've never gone to any stores on Black Friday because I don't like it's too crowded. I can handle that. But if I see something online that is a good deal, I'll probably get it. I've been searching for some good stuff actually, and stuff that I needed because I was running low, and they have a lot of good deals online. I found a lot of goodies really cheap. Some of them have 40%, 50% off. So that's good. I'm gonna use the first brush and blend that a little bit right here. I'm gonna deepen the outer corner with this one. I'm gonna go in with this one from the It's My Pleasure palette, and I'm gonna spray my brush and I'll put this on the outer corner over here. It's like a wine color. It's very pretty. I'm gonna clean that brush, and now I'm gonna use this one and put that in the inner corner. I'm gonna take the first brush with nothing additional and just blend right in here. I'm going back with this one on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this shade here in the corner, put it really close to the lower lash line. I'm going to get some black from another palette, use an angle brush, get really close in the lower lash line. Put that right in the outer corner right here. I'm gonna use a highlighter. This one's by Ofra. I already had it. I know they went through an issue. I don't know how that got solved. I got lost in that. I think the owner stepped down or something like that, I heard. But I haven't purchased nothing else from them yet because I don't know how it all ended. If it ended. Does anybody know? I never heard anything else about it, so I'm going to use that as a inner corner highlight and a brow bone highlight. I'm going to use my NYX contouring palette. This one right here. Gotta shrink that forehead. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. highlighter. This one's called White Gold. Very pretty. I'm gonna be using this NYX white eyeliner. I'm trying to get used to it. I'm still trying to get used to it. Let's see. I've only used this. This is gonna be the second time, I think, or the third. I'm not sure. For lips, I'm gonna be using Dose of Color in shade Stone. I'm gonna be using the Lash Sensational from Maybelline. I almost forgot the lashes, so I used the Salon Perfect in style 614. And I trimmed them just to do an outer corner. So this is the final look. What do you think? I know I don't have many holiday colors, I guess you could say, but I used what I got. And this is what I came up with. I hope you like it. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell to get notified every time I upload, and give the video a thumbs up if you can. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. And my clicker stopped working again. I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying prime. It's not a primer. I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying out. I'll be using the NYX Make. Damn it, I didn't use the fucking concealer. I forgot the concealer. Itches. So I'm gonna try to use the colors and colors similars. Put an eyelash in my eye. Somewhere in there. Bothering the crap out of me. So if you want to see how